How to send email campaign in MailerLite. So first, go to MailerLite and then just click on campaigns here at the left. Now after doing that, you just need to click on create campaign here at the top right. Then click on regular campaign. Then from here, you just need to fill in all of the details. So I'll just type in test name here. I'll just type in test subject, test pre-header, and then as for the recipients, you just need to select one of your subscribers here or groups here. So I'll just select all active subscribers, but you can also select one segment or one group, and then click on select. Then just click on next content at the bottom, and then click on drag and drop editor. Okay, now from here, this is what your email template would look like. This is the default email campaign template. Okay, so after editing all of this, you just need to edit it using all of the blocks of the things that you can use here to edit your email. And then once you've done editing this, just click on done editing here at the top right. Now here, you just need to click on either send now if you want to send it now, or just send later, and then just schedule it. If you want to send it now, click on send now, and then just click on send here. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.